Hello friends, welcome to the VDIC Utopia video editing tutorial. Our today's topic is smooth face using CapCut. In this tutorial, I will show how to make faces smooth and how simple it is. Let's begin the tutorial together step by step. I have imported a video. If I full screen the video, you will see that the face is not smooth. There are some spots on the face. Using CapCut, you can make faces smooth within a few steps. Add video to the timeline. Go to the Enhance tab. Turn on the face option. Here you will find three options. They are a smooth, brighten and white teeth. In this tutorial, I will work with a smooth and white teeth. I have increased the value of the smooth. Now see the output on the full screen. The face is now smooth. Spots are not showing. If you keep both before and after change videos side by side, you will identify the differences easily. Increase the white teeth value. Now teeth are whiter than the original video. That's all from this tutorial. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.